cold bloody bastard. I'll tell you what I think of it. I'd live to see you eat that contract, but I hope you leave enough room for my face, cause I'm going to ram it into your stomach and break a goddamn spine. Yeah! Kill it! Here is Sub-Zero. Now, Plane Zero. Go! Get to the chopper! Yeah! Get out of here! Now! It's been a long time, General. He didn't just disappear. He was skinned alive! What the hell are you? Dylan! You son of a bitch! Billy, find me a way out of this hole. With that Cook's car, he won't be needing it. Take out the papers and the trash, or you don't get no spending cash. If you don't scrub that kitchen floor, you ain't gonna rock and roll no more. Yak the yak, don't talk back.